guys, welcome back to our channel Thunderbolt. Today we are making a new video and please like and subscribe, but you must see the first video I posted, it was very good. Wat moet ek vir julle sê? And guys, if you think our first video was good, go to the comment and tell us.
Okay, en Hank, kan jy gou kyk hoe ver is jou ander ding geupload?
Maar dan gaan ons hierdie video, maar dan gaan ons nie 'n video kan post nie.
Dus, okay, dank jou. Kom ons word vir die video klaar dan. En kan jy nog kyk?
Ja,
Hank. Is dit reg?
ja,
Hank.
dis reg. Niet die hand, Meow Cells is doing it first. We're going on into our second game. Where is our dual drop spot? I see it. Guys, if you think our dual drop spot is a good one, go to the comments and tell us. We are almost every time into the comments. And I'm playing with my duo again, and its name is Yuvan. Oh, here's a Cybertruck. Guys, comment down below if you think this is a very good drop spot. Ja? Wat gaan ik doen? Wat moet ik doen? Jij gaan wat doen? Jij. Okay. Guys, my duo might have to go, so he's going to ask his mom if he can play, but I don't know if he can play. So I will try to clutch this game. Hello? Hello guys, my duo is back. Must you still go if this game is done? Wat moet ik nou weer gaan afzetten? Steeds. Maar dus moet ik nog steeds nou weer gaan met series gaan. Alkies? Let my door either drive, but I'm not a good driver. Alkies? Comment down below, who do you think is the best driver here? Ek het 'n gold mission gekry. And guys, if you don't see my little so well, I have a Green Thunder shotgun and a legendary Striker AR. I just need an hunting rifle and my loadout is good to go. I hope there's a hunting rifle in this chest. There's not, but there's a chuck and I will take the chuck. Moet jy afset? Gaan jy sit jy gaan af? Moet jy nou sit afset? Okay. Sis, gaan jy net jou sit jy gaan af en dan gaan jy weer speel. Okay, bye. Okay. Guys, sorry for this, but my door has to go. He must go pick up his sister by school, so I am trying to go and be insane in this game. But my door said he will be back as soon as possible. Oh no, we placed 8, but it is still good. Please like and subscribe. See you next time.